Hello, friends. Meet the bird of paradise, the most beautiful bird on earth. With vibrant plumage and surreal dances, the bird of paradise is one of the most striking avian wonders in the world. Males perform elaborate courtship dances, spreading feathers, bouncing, and even flipping upside down to impress females. These birds come in various dazzling forms, from the Wilson's bird of paradise's neon colors to the kingbird's unique fan-shaped tail. Found mainly in Papua New Guinea and nearby islands, these birds thrive in lush rainforests where they put on extravagant displays. Some species, like the greater bird of paradise, have feathers so black they absorb almost all light. Their dramatic courtship displays are a result of millions of years of evolution, with females choosing their males. Their feathers were once highly prized, even used in tribal headdress and royal garments, making them a symbol of status and beauty. Some birds of paradise can mimic sounds from their environment, blending in with jungle noises or even imitating other birds. While mesmerizing, these birds face threats from deforestation and climate change, making conservation efforts crucial for their survival. Save these birds.